Hey, fanatic book reader, are you ready to transform your book reading experience to the next level? You have come to the right place then. The ultimate book tracker is created to upgrade your literary experience. Why should you use the ultimate book tracker? As you can see, this is a virtual bookshelf. Whenever you want to add a new book to your shelf, just click on New Book or New Audiobook. Type in the name of the book and check out the other functionalities. Let's start with the status. As you can see, there are 4 different options. The first one is Wishlist. Select this option whenever you want to read a book but did not purchase it yet. The second option is Not Read. Select this option if you already bought a book but did not start reading it yet. The third option is Currently Reading. Select this option if you started reading the book but did not finish reading it yet. The last option is Book Completed. Change to this option whenever you finish the book. The benefit of these options is that you can keep a good overview of your bookshelf, because this is one table with a lot of different filters. Whenever you click on a new book, it automatically has selected Not Read. From here you can change it if you want. The next filter is Currently Reading. It shows all the books you started but did not finish it yet. The next filter shows all the books you completed. And the fourth filter shows all the books you add to the wishlist. Whenever you click on New Audiobook, it will be added to the filter Not Listed. From here you can give it a new status. You can change it to Currently Reading, and there are also filters of audiobooks completed and audiobook wishlist. Beside the status, there are a lot of other functionalities. You can fill in description, total pages, current page, and in this way it will show you the progress you did of the book. The starting date, the end date, the date you are going to read the book again, and the highlights of the book and the book cover. You can choose an author, a genre, and you can give the book a rating. Besides the bookshelf and reading and audiobook statistics, there is a menu with the bookshelf database, an audiobook shelf database, a book tier list, book challenges, book spendings, author database, and genre database. Let's go through them. The bookshelf database shows all the information you added on every book. The audiobook database shows all the information you added on every audiobook. The book tier list shows all the books and audiobooks you completed from highest rating to lowest rating. If you want to challenge yourself, you can try out the book challenges we created. You can try out book challenges from different difficulties: easy, medium, and hard. If you want to use a book budget a year, you can use our book spending calculator. Sometimes when you want to fill in author to a book, the author option is not there yet. You can add authors to the author database. It's the same for genres. You can add a genre to the genre database. Simply click on new page and add it. We also created yearly goals for you. For example, if you want to read 25 books a year, this will keep the progress for you. Whenever you have a book completed, you select book completed, and you select the year you finished it in. And as you can see, it changes from 2 to 3 books. This is the same for all the other stuff in here. Thank you so much for purchasing the book tracker, and we hope you have a beautiful reading year.